Okay, got a 2016 Dodge Durango. Access to the battery. This cover come off right here, so I had to pop the cover over here, cup over here, 15mm bolts. Took this off here. Now we're down to the axis of the battery. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the ground and the positive from right here, 10mm, 10mm. We're gonna swap the battery out, and AGM is the battery right here, so 700 cold cranking amps. So same thing in the back. You're gonna take off the 2 bolts in the back from right back there. You're gonna lift up these covers in the back. I'll show you from the back. And so the seat just lifts up after that, so nothing to worry about the wiring and everything here. And I'm gonna hook up a jump box under the hood so we don't lose any power. So before removing the battery, I use my jump box. This cover is going to be on that little bolt right there. You remove this guy off. So if you need to jump start your Dodge Durango, right here is the negative, ground. I'll tell you right there. And positive, you have to lift this plastic piece off. So the reason why I do this is put this on it so we don't lose any memory in the vehicle. It will have power all times. So only thing you gotta watch out is the positive cannot touch anywhere, okay? Because it's live pretty much. Anyways, let's move on. Okay, while this is apart, I want to show you guys. This is the bolt you gotta release to release the terminal. These two little guys was attached right there. You got the vacuum line that's coming off, and this is the metal plate in the back. It has two 13mm, and that's what's holding the battery down here. And I took off this positive here. That might be some type of accessory that was connected here. But anyways, gonna put this baby back in. The vacuum line goes in here, and then I'll show you once it's done. Here I am putting the 13mm. There's one on each side. The camera probably not gonna be able to see it. So remember, battery disconnected. My dome light is on because of our jump box. So we're gonna switch sockets here. We'll come back to this socket. We're gonna take this 13 and gonna have to lock this in. Very important, okay? That's what's holding the battery down. Other than that, battery will move around. Your vacuum line right over here. Negative terminal goes on, and I'm gonna have to switch my sockets one more time. And what I want to do is try to tighten this by hand. I mean, I shouldn't be doing this with the camera in my hand because you don't want this terminal to wiggle around. You see how it's moving? So I'm gonna have to put the camera away for a second, and I'm gonna, you know what, maybe I can do it like that so you guys can see it too. So I'll hold it from right here. I don't want this thing to spin around and break the whole sensor system right there. So this guy is gonna go underneath here. This guy is gonna come up. So we got live power now, okay, from the battery. We can remove our jump box. We're gonna switch up the sockets one more time. You don't want to, make sure you tighten this, tighten that, everything is tight, okay? Because you leave anything loose, forget about it. Let me switch my sockets. So here goes nothing. There you go. So we should have no loss of power here. Just put this down, and I do want to bring this around. Don't let it touch the floor because it will ground itself. This was here. I don't know what this is. It probably some type of accessory, and that goes there. And this baby goes, come on, socket, don't do this to me, middle of the job here. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the same thing. Hold this and lock it up. So once that's locked up, we're good there. Then put the cover on, bring the seat down, and put the 2 bolts and 2 bolts in the covers, and you're all done. Okay, this is pretty much done, okay? So this cover goes here, just like that, goes under the carpet there. And I don't know if it goes under the carpet or on the carpet. Okay, oh, you know what? It goes like that. So the seat needs to kind of come down, and this will stay underneath, and it will come off from this edge here. And we're all pretty much done here. So these little clips gotta go into the holes right there, and we're only gonna be able to manage these if this cable moves out of the way. So we're done here, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and that's how you're gonna replace the battery on this Dodge, so this stays on the top. And the last step here is bring the seat down. Make sure you tighten the bolts in, because if you don't, the passenger is gonna flip upside down. So again, this is 15 millimeter. Make sure you line the back. I'm only showing you guys, so nothing here is binded. Perfect. Put the cover on. This is the covers you got to remove in the beginning. There you go. They smack right on. 1 and 2. Let's go to the back. Okay, to the rear, same process here. Again, remember I said line up your bolts first, because they might not line up later, but we're fine here. 2 bolts, catch the threads. 1 and 2, and this is the cover, should clip right on, and this is the cover, should clip right on. Bada bing, bada boom. Bring the seat back, take out your tools, take off the jump box, and we're all done. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Stay tuned for more videos.